It's raining here right now. Oh, it's raining here.
Happened. Nauna sa. Ali! Dali, dalabat li. Hindi ka na? Wala na sa. Food. Foodie. Foodie. Oh,
Oh, sikat
Ali,
ka na yan.
Ali. Oh.
No! Ale!
Wow.
Sit. No! Sober ka ha?
Apa super. Jalan. Yeah.
Pagkamala ka?
Yummy.
Ha?
Amit. Kau kamu tak?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
We are here now in Jollibee restaurant. You know, guys, what I want this Raphael's pizza because the dough. Look at the dough. It's so soft. See, yummy. I just finished cooking my shrimp, guys, and it's so yummy. You believe or not, you forgot your name once you try to eat my shrimp. So yeah, really guys, because I put pineapple with pineapple juice and garlic, butter, and yeah, shrimp, of course, and nothing really fancy ingredients, but I appreciate my cooking skills. Charot lang. Now we are here in Dunkin' Donut with my bodyguard. Finally, we're home now, guys, and look at my simple little garden. Today is a Tuesday evening, and we are here right now in Ligato building. It is a call center, guys. As you can see, guys, I am alone here right now. Kasi yung anak, pumunta sa office nila sa may Ligato. Kasi magpapasa siya ng guys, ng papers. Because nakapasa siya. my dog eating bachoy soup in his and her dog food. Look, see? You like it, baby Ali? You like it really? Ha, my darling Ali? You like it? You like it, baby? Like it, mama? Bog, he likes to eat the soup of bachoy. Oh no. See? Oh. Wow, it's yummy, ah. Eat your dog food na. Oh. Cute. We have lasagna here, balot, french fries, burger, and siomai, of course.
And is this? Hindi pa taon tin tumagil.
That is
Five.
siomai.
6 8 9 10 2 4 6 Very good.
So why fun?
Oh my god, a lot of shomais here right now!
Oh my God!
That's like some.
What's Ali? Oh my God!
Wow, sir.
Go, Ali, hello. Ah! Oh, Ali. Eh? Dug singasali to.
Ollie, what are you doing here, Ollie? Can you please go outside? Because I really hate dogs. Get out, Ollie! Get out! Hey! Sumugar na ginawan. Ay. Ikaw ba mo?
Crazy
Wow.
Toto. Look at Ali. Ay. Ali, love mama. Ali. Supla daw. Ali.
No! Sit!